I got a I brought that bitch in my yeah, they kept on driving home. She don't want me.
Freedom. Right now. First for me. For me, I'm not. Ain't got these bitches.
Instantly. Great.
I love that.
Hey girls. I'll bang that wolf if she's a looker. I'm cruising Hollywood and Vine, I don't want no hooker. I need a fuck. Let's get back to the motel. This your man, yo. This that in your place. Excuse me. Nah, I ain't got a deal, but I got a rate. I'm sorry for the wait.
That was good one. Oh my gosh, I gotta pull that hair.
How was it?
It was so cool.
10 happening, guys. If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.